Hello guys, another video here. I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery on this Xhorse universal flip remote, which is pretty simple. And I have another remote which is the same procedure if you have one of this kind, so it'll be the same. So the way we're gonna do it, we're just gonna hold the remote and then we're just gonna push this back piece out. Yep, it's already out. It's pretty easy. So this is the battery. I'm just gonna push it out with a screwdriver or something you have at home, and the number is CR2032. After you change it with a new one, just put it back and then I'll stick it inside again. If you have the little black chip inside, if you don't remember where it goes, just place it right here. There's a little hole. Don't forget to put it back, because if you use it to run your car and your car won't start later. Just put it back, push it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.